Hi everyone, I'm Simran. Today I'm here with a new topic, and the topic is whether the student should be allowed to grade their teachers or not. In my opinion, no. Students should not be allowed to grade their teachers. A teacher is a person who helps them to acquire knowledge, competence, or virtue. Teaching is a very novel profession that shapes the character, caliber, and the future of an individual. Teacher spreads their knowledge among the students. Students deserve to learn from the teacher with a positive attitude, sincerity, enthusiasm. Students are not so much of mature to grade their teacher, but the teachers are. They are well experienced and they knew how to grade a student. They had observed a one whole year and they know how to grade a student. But do you really think that you know how to grade a teacher? And do you really think that you should also grade a teacher? And why do you think so? And how can you do so? On what basis can you grade your teacher? On the basis of behavior does the teacher do? And do you really very much familiar with the behavior of the teacher? No, you can't familiar to the behavior of the teacher, because teacher has to adapt themselves according to the situation and the environment. He has came to the classroom to taught you to make you knowledgeable, so he can't be so much friendly to you. He has to adapt himself as a strict teacher, because if he is not going to be a strict teacher, then the students will create nuisance in the class, and that is not the beneficial part for the good good studying environment. So they has to adapt themselves according to the situation. And behavior can't judge anyone. We knew it very well. We had a proverb that don't judge a book by a cover. So you can't judge by their behavior. They adapt themselves according to the situation. They are your good guiders, they are your friends, they are your philosopher. If you had any problem, you could consult to your teacher and teacher will give you a solution. Whether the problem is big or short, you could consult to your teacher and teacher will give you a solution, and the solution which is beneficial for you. And the teacher, whatever the thing that teacher does, that is a beneficial for the students only. And the other thing, if you are going to grade your teacher, then it means that you don't respect your teacher. That if you are going to grade your teacher, this will reduce the respect for the teacher, and not only in front of the student but also in front of the other teachers also. If any of the teacher get the good grades and the other teacher gets bad grades, how you will, you don't know, you are not so much of mature to differentiate between a good and bad. Whatever that suits you, whatever you want, if you get, that is good. Whatever you don't want and that would happen with you, that is bad. Just that. But in this way you can't give grades to your teacher. This is not the way to give the grades, but the teachers are very much experienced and they had the knowledge to giving grades. But you are not so much of familiar. You would think that the one who is very much lenient to you, who gives you less assignments, who don't scold you, are the good teachers, and they are the beneficial for you. But do you really think that they are the beneficial part for they are the beneficial for you? The one teacher who scolds you in front of the class, you will think that the teacher is not good. He has scolded you in the front of the in front of every student, and you would think that this is a worst day of my life. But when you are calm, when you sit peacefully and then thought, if the teacher has scolded you without any reason, the teacher has scolded you if you had done something wrong, and if you had done something wrong, it is very necessary for the teacher to scold you for that purpose. If he has scolded you today, then tomorrow you will not going to commit that mistakes. If the teacher has deducted the marks today in your test, and tomorrow you are not going to commit that mistakes in your examination. That means whatever the things that the teacher does is beneficial for you. And how could you grade them? You don't know the differentiation between the good and bad. You are nothing in front of the teachers. And lastly, I would like to say, one in our Hindu religion we had a shlok, that is Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tashmai Shri Guruve Namah. Here we had compared the teacher with the three most valuable and worshipable God. So if the teacher is compared to a God, then if you can grade your God, whomever you believe, whether it is Lord Krishna, Lord Rama, Allah, Jesus Christ, whatever the God you believe, if you can grade your God, then grade your teacher. If you can't grade your God, then don't grade your teacher. Thank you.